step into the Buick 2016 Regal Turbo. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 7 speakers, 7-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system, radio, Buick IntelliLink AM/FM stereo WCD player and single-slot CD MP3 audio system feature. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.